Hello, Davida here. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow. So I'm going to do, you guessed it, another pearl cloud pearl. You know what I'm talking about. So tonight I'm going to use something that everyone should have in their supplies. Artist Loft. I believe this is Brilliant Blue. Right there. Yeah. Okay, so now I wanted to do a contrasting color. I wanted to do yellow. I know. Green. Don't attack me in the comments. I know. But when I did a practice tile, the yellow did absolutely nothing. So now I'm debating whether to even use it. So we'll see. I'm going to pan the camera down, get it all covered up, and we're going to get this pour started. I'm using a repurposed 20 by 20 canvas. Here's my base coat. Very fluid. Recipe will be in the description box. Now, what I'm actually trying to do is work on my composition. That is what I'm having an issue with, because I know you're getting tired of seeing diagonal pours. I'm getting tired of seeing diagonal pours. So I'm going to practice on this repurposed canvas and see if I can work getting a nice composition. And if it doesn't look right, well, you know, it's an old canvas. It's got some indentations in it from previous pour. So we'll just, you know, scrape it and keep practicing. So let me finish this. Okay, so this is the practice tile I did. This is a second practice tile I did. So that's just using the blue. But like I said, I want a little bit of a contrast. So I'm going to put a teeny tiny bit of yellow in the bottom of the cup. And the rest I'm going to do with the blue. Let me show you the consistency. It's very thin. And it's just leaving a hint of a trace. And I'm sorry if you can't see that, but believe me when I say it is. It is. So okay. And then a dollop of the yellow again. Alrighty. Let me see if I can get all of this in the camera. Okay, there we go. Now, I think I want to go I don't know. I'm just going to put it on here and see what happens. Okay. Let's torch it. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay. Composition. Something pretty. Okay. Nice, pretty composition. Maybe if I say it enough, I'll, I don't know, get something nice. All right, I'm already starting off with something crazy. Well, it's not what I was going for in terms of composition, but that's all right. Let's see if we get any pearls to pop up. Let me just spread this a little more. I guess it would be nice if this was, left open and the pearls came around it. That would be pretty. So we will see what happens. But I'm liking that blue and the hint of yellow here and here. And the only place it mixed was here, so we got that green tinge. But that's okay. So let's see if we developed anything like my practice tiles. I'm going to torch it. Okay, so it's been about 30-40 minutes, and I must admit I am completely stumped. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm happy with it, but I'm completely stumped as to why stuff formed here and not here, because this is where we went first, right? We thinned it first here. You know what? I'm about sick of these damn pearls. Sick of them. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I should be doing the happy dance because we got some big, juicy, pearls. But I want them all over the place. Damn it. Okay. I'm sorry. Excuse me. I have a little mental lapse. Paint is causing me a mental lapse. You know what? I think I'm gonna do a flip cup. I got a whole bunch of Modern Masters paint. You saw me do that pearl thing the other day. I think video 71. I'm gonna do me a flip cup. Y'all can have these damn pearls. I'm tired. No, I'm not. We'll see. Okay. Thanks for tuning in. Don't mind me. Stay blessed. Stay safe. See you next pour.